So I want to take you on the process of me making a steamer for my hair, for my natural hair. I've loosed my natural hair. People should be with the singlet. Come up inside the house and be wearing gongosa. This is how I dress inside. Okay. So this is pear. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pears. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it open. I'm going to cut it open. I'm going to open it up in 2 sections. Okay. And then use the spoon and take out the inner contents. Scrape out the inner contents. So this pear, in this economy, I cannot use my church mind like this. I use a good pear for this. Imagine. I know that I want my hair to be fine, but if I get a good pear, I will eat it though. Even from the inside, my inner body also needs fruit too. But this is a pear that is already too done, that necessarily you cannot eat. And necessarily you cannot eat like that. So I'm going to scrape them all out into the paper, into the bowl. I hope they even pop up myself. I don't understand. So I'm going to scrape it into the bowl. So after, I'm going to mash it into this. So this is the finished product. This is all the pears. So I'm going to mesh it, and after meshing it, I'm going to keep it in the freezer for the time I want to use it.